Hello everyone, this is Go Green, Live and Cook. If you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe and click the bell button next to it to get my future videos. Let us take a tour of one of my friend's garden, container garden. Easy grow in container. You can have the container garden in your patio. If you have a less space where you have less soil, you can have pots like this and you can grow the plants, any vegetables or even some of the flowering plants. Here you have chili to name some, and then you have a eggplant. There is a greens over here where you can use it. So in one container you can have multiple combinations of vegetables to grow. Again, if you have any flowers, it will attract the bees and insects. So if you have any plants with cross pollination, it will help, the bees and insects will help. Again, like the tomatoes and even all the good varieties of vegetables, you can get it in a container. So you have seen here some of it is green pepper, and then there are some greens again, or some herbs where you can use it in your kitchen. So think that you can have the container gardening if you have some kind of less space in your backyard. Container could be moved to a sunny place where you have the growth good. The banana leaves, if you see here in container, is really hard to get in 6B zone, but you can do it. You can also grow moringa in the container. And I know my friend really passionate about growing any Asian type of vegetables. Here you see moringa in a very big, thick trunk. It's almost like, more than 22 or even 25 years old of moringa. If you want to eat your own grown fresh vegetable from your backyard, there is no limit. Just try what is possible for you, and you can see how you can enjoy the nature's fun in your backyard. I know this friend takes food from container for himself as well, give it to others. So mostly summer and fall time, he always brings in food from backyard most of the time. You see, Ruby is trying to bribe her friend to begin the garden. This is a very shady area, but still you have some plants which you can grow. So there is no limit. You know that after the fall, you can save your food and use it for winter season. And then when the spring comes, again there will be a nice way of planning to bring your own food. Please give your comments and also subscribe if you did not subscribe yet, and click the bell button to get my future videos. See you soon.